Meaning of eternal.
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 Eternal. Eternal refers to something that is without beginning or end, something that is everlasting or infinite in duration. It is a term often associated with religious or philosophical concepts of life and the universe. The etymology of eternal comes from the Latin aeternus, meaning without beginning or end. In popular culture, eternal is often used to describe deep emotions or lasting love. This term can also be applied to natural phenomena, such as the endlessness of time or the never-ending nature of the universe.